Good day. The political landscape in Rivers State took another significant turn on Saturday as businessman and politician Dumo Lulu-Briggs emerged as the governorship candidate of the NDC. Ahead of the 2027 governorship election, his emergence has officially set the stage for what is expected to be a closely watched contest against the candidate of the APC, Chinda, who is widely regarded as an ally of the Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, Wike. Dumo Lulu-Briggs secured the NDC governorship ticket after emerging as the sole aspirant in the party's primary election conducted across the state. Reports from the exercise indicated that no other contestants participated in the primary, allowing the former PDP governorship aspirants to emerge unopposed. The exercise was reportedly conducted peacefully across the various local government areas, with party's officials describing the process as orderly and successful. Speaking shortly after being declared the winner, Dumo Lulu-Briggs expressed appreciation to party members and leaders for the confidence they placed in him. He commended the conduct of the primary election and described the process as calm, peaceful, and reflective of the party's commitment to democratic principles. The NDC candidate pledged to work closely with party stakeholders and supporters across Rivers State as preparation begins for the main governorship election. His emergence represents a major milestone for the NDC as the party seeks to establish itself as a significant force in Rivers politics. Party leaders believe the candidacy of Dumo Lulu-Briggs provides an opportunity to offer voters an alternative political platform ahead of the 2027 elections. Supporters of the businessman have also expressed optimism that his experience, network, and public profile will strengthen the party's chances in the governorship race. Attention is now shifting to the expected showdown between Dumo Lulu-Briggs and APC candidate Chinda. Chinda recently secured the APC governorship ticket following dramatic political developments within the ruling party in Rivers State. His emergence followed the withdrawal of incumbent governor Similaye Fubara from the governorship race, a decision that generated widespread reactions across the state's political landscape. Governor Fubara's withdrawal from the APC primary election came amid continued political tensions involving his camp and supporters of the Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, Wike. The rivalry between both political camps has dominated Rivers politics for several years and continues to influence major political decisions within the state. Many political observers believe the outcome of the 2027 election could significantly reshape the balance of power in Rivers State. Chinda's emergence as the APC candidate is viewed by many analysts as a major victory for the political structure associated with Wike. His candidacy is expected to attract strong support from influential figures within the APC and from political groups aligned with the former Rivers governor. As a result, the governorship contest is already attracting national attention due to its potential implications for the future direction of politics in the oil-rich states. For Dumo Lulu-Briggs, the challenge ahead will be to build a broad coalition capable of competing against the well-established political machinery of the APC. While its emergence was unopposed within the NDC, the general election is expected to present a much tougher test as candidates compete for the support of Rivers voters across the state's 23 local government areas. His campaign is likely to focus on issues such as economic development, job creation, infrastructure, investments, and governance reform. Political observers note that the 2027 Rivers governorship election could become one of the most fiercely contested races in the country. The state remains one of Nigeria's most politically influential and economically significant states due to its strategic position in the oil and gas sector. As a result, developments within Rivers politics often attract interest beyond the state's borders. With party primaries gradually concluding across the country, the focus is now shifting towards campaign activities and political alliance ahead of the general election. For Rivers State, the emergence of Dumo, Lulu-Briggs, and Chinda as leading contenders signals the beginning of another major political contest that could shape the state's future for years to come. As preparations intensify, voters, political stakeholders, and observers will be watching closely to see how both candidates present their visions for Rivers State and how the evolving political dynamics influence the race. The battle for government house in 2027 is gradually taking shape, and the contest between Dumo, Lulu-Briggs, and Chinda promises to be one of the most closely followed political events in Nigeria. That's all for now on News Express. And if you find this insightful, kindly like, subscribe, and share this video. I'm Chidera Esom. Thank you for watching. Do have a beautiful day.